Struggle ko to before. How can we subscribe? Paano ba mag-subscribe? Happiness everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Leia Cebuche. If you're new here, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell for you to get updated of my latest video. Thank you so much! Today, our topic or ang isang i-discuss ko today are the commonly thing that you hear from the YouTuber na sinasabing, please click that subscribe button, the like and share, the notification bell, especially yung request namin na mag-subscribe kayo. Bakit ba importanteng mag-subscribe? What does it do to us? Or why is it so important for you to subscribe on a channel of a YouTuber na pinapanood ninyo po? What it can do to our channel? Or kailangan ba, do we have to pay ba pag nag-subscribe? And most especially, ako rin ito naging struggle ko to before. How can we subscribe? Paano ba mag-subscribe? Yan po yung mga katanungan na tatry nating i-answer today in the simplest way para makapag-subscribe kayo sa mga favorite channel ninyo sa YouTube. What is a YouTube channel? Ano ba yung YouTube channel? YouTube, ano ba talaga? They said it's YouTube, someone says it's YouTube. So, whatever it is a platform or a channel where an individual or a group can express the content they would like to share to every one of you. Like me, kung ano yung mga gusto kong i-share, I felt that this platform, this channel, this YouTube is a way for me to express the things that I would like to share to you. Kumbaga, lahat ng mga pwede kong i-share sa inyo in my daily life, in my family, in my faith, especially. Ito is nagiging platform para ma-share natin kung ano yung mga gusto nating i-share. Ayan, paulit-ulit ako, share. It is a way of expression to communicate the contents that we would like to share through online video sharing platform. Okay, what is the content? Ano ba yung sinasabi nilang content? Content is the subject or any information that a person or a YouTuber is advocating to share to everyone in the world, to the viewers. Sabi nga ni Google, content is something to be expressed through the medium of speech, writing, or any various arts. And for us here, ito yung in-express namin sa mga viewers namin through our channel. Yun po yung content. Kumbaga yung laman ng videos. Kung ano yung matutunan niyo or kung ano yung mga information na pwede niyong magamit sa inyong mga daily life. The YouTubers are also known as YouTube content creators. YouTuber is a type of videographer or entertainer who produces videos for video sharing through website of YouTube. And sometimes they are also being supported by a network. At the end, YouTubers aspires to be monetized. Yun talaga, most of the YouTubers, yan ang talagang aspiration. At the end of the day, ma-monetize po kami. Because being a YouTuber is not an easy task. It's really a full-time job. Sometimes ako nga nakakapag-edit ako ng isang video for the entire day. Minsan hindi pa ako tapos. Editing pa lang yun At meron pa doon yung conceptualization, script writing, mga pag-video mo pa lang ng mga videos mo. Until the editing, until ma-post mo yan sa YouTube, napakarami pong proseso niyan. So, this is really a full-time job. Talagang those people who aspires or have the gifts of sharing something through videos can use this platform as something na makapag-earn ka ng money. So, as a YouTuber, most of us really aspires to be monetized. Marami na tayong mga kakilala dyan or na well-known YouTubers na talagang they're earning millions at home, sharing their lives na nakakapag-entertain sa atin. That is why subscribing to a channel po is very important to us. We really appreciate you guys. You guys really help us to be monetized kasi at this time, before the end of this year, ang requirements ng YouTube is magkaroon ka ng 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to be monetized. From there, mag-aano ka pa, meron ka certain time pa na mag-accumulate of earnings. There's a lot of process para ma-monetize. But the first thing is, you guys na nagsasubscribe sa channel namin, malaking tulong po at the same time na pinanonood nyo po kami. But of course, some of the viewers like me before, really, I don't know how to subscribe on the YouTube channel until I research it. So, sa video po na ito, I will try to help you on how to easily subscribe on a channel. And you have to remember, subscription is free. Wala po itong bayad. You can subscribe for free and enjoy all the videos that we are uploading. That we are hoping na may nagiget po naman kayo sa aming mga videos. That is one of our aspiration also, makapag-share sa inyo ng values or anything that can add bits of pieces of nuggets na wisdom na magagamit niyo po sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. But of course, ang malaking katanungan natin, or sometimes ako rin nung nagsisimula pa lang ako, paano ba mag-subscribe? You know what? It's easy po. Madali lang mag-subscribe, and you have to remember, wala po namang payment or cost to subscribe. Here are the things that we need to know on how to subscribe to a channel, to our favorite channel. First, you have to go to youtube.com or to a YouTube app. Then from there, you can choose what channel or videos that you would like to follow or to subscribe. Below that video, normally po meron yung isang, may red sign po to na kung hindi ka pa nakaka-subscribe to sa channel na yon, may button doon na subscribe button. Once you click that one, it will bring you to a sign-in page where you have to sign lang ng inyong Gmail account at ng inyong password. Ang kailangan lang po talaga is a Gmail account, an email account with an extension of @gmail.com. Kung meron po kayo noon, you can really sign in. Yun lang po ang kailangan natin, gmail.com na email address. Let's say, for example, leia@gmail.com. And yun lang po ang i-fill in natin dun sa sign in page na yon. And then afterwards, you just put your password. And then after that, that's it. You can subscribe to the channel that you would like to be subscribe or to follow. Ganun lang po ka-easy mag-subscribe. It's really easy to subscribe to a channel or to follow a channel. Napakadali lang po. That's how easy it is to subscribe to a channel. And sana po, ako rin po after you watch this video, if you find this video interesting and if you find this video helpful, paki-click din po yung subscribe button dyan sa baba para mapalo niyo po ang aking channel. And of course, the notification bell po, huwag niyo pong kalimutang i-click yon para ma-update kayo ng bago kong videos. Thank you so much and stay blessed, stay joyful, stay healthy. Happiness, everyone!